There are people who are willing to die for their country, for their cause, for their God. They have a level of commitment that is really extraordinary. But what about commitment to yourself? Do you have that? Do you have that unwavering connection and respect for yourself? Because when you're in a toxic relationship, it's one of the first things to go. You know, you get in and boy, are you committed to making sure their needs are met. But your commitment to yourself, it just goes away. Day by day, act by act. And then you're left just floating. And when you finally have the courage to get out, to prioritize yourself, one of the most important things you can do is to relearn that level of connection to yourself. Self-respect, self-esteem, sense of self. And it all comes down to having the steadfastness to you, that unwavering faith in yourself. And that's why steadfastness is one of the pillars of the Sage Wisdom Institute, where we focus on you getting back to you. To be steadfast, to walk the line back to yourself, surrounded and embraced by a tribe that knows exactly what it's like to lose yourself, to lose that commitment to yourself and who you are, to lose a commitment to your truth. So if you're ready to find the way back to yourself, to learn to be steadfast to yourself, just give me a call. This is Dr. Sage Breslin, and this is Wisdom Wednesdays.